There are many products available to choose desks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best desks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Topsky Computer Desk with Bookshelf. This desk checks off everything you'd need for a WFH space. Our pros love that it features a large surface area, so you'll have plenty of room for a monitor, laptop, keyboard, photos, and notebooks. It comes in 3 wood shades and is supported by black steel legs that should suit most rooms and mesh with other furniture. Several reviewers on Amazon write that the desk is sturdy, easy to assemble, and attractive. While we haven't yet tested this model in the lab, our experts appreciate the shelf situated underneath the work surface for storing easy-to-reach items. We also like the addition of a metal cable grommet hole cover so you can hide messy cables. Number 2. Siducal Mobile Stand-Up Desk. We love this standing desk not only for its practicality but also for its hard-to-beat price. With space for a computer monitor and laptop on the top shelf and a dedicated area for a keyboard and mouse on the bottom shelf, it's the perfect solution for working comfortably in tight spaces. Though this desk's height can only be adjusted manually, we like that you have the option of working standing or sitting. We also like that the disk's design features wheels so you can move it around if need be. Number 3. Nathan James Telos Computer Desk. This home office desk from Nathan James is the ideal size for all your home office essentials like a monitor up to 28 inches, a keyboard, and a mouse pad. We love that it features a built-in drawer so you can hide your keyboard on weekends. And the pine wood legs are a stylish touch. While our pros haven't tested this model in the lab, online reviewers say that they like the desk's high-quality design, perfect size, and excellent customer service. Number 4. Uplift V2 Bamboo Standing Desk. Our engineers and analysts love this pick if you're looking for an adjustable home office desk. We found that it remains very stable, while also being able to support a monitor and other accessories. Our testers also like that this desk features handy memory settings, so you and others can adjust the desk to your optimal working height with the press of a button on the keypad. Number 5. Haotian Wall-Mounted Workstation. Who said your home office desk has to take up precious space? Our pros love this wall-mounted floating desk that looks like a bookshelf but features office conveniences like a cable and wire hole. It has just enough room for your laptop and mouse pad during work hours, and extra shelves can be used to display photos, books, and accessories. With a load capacity of 66 lbs, you shouldn't expect to fit a monitor on this minimalist desk, but it's a great solution for anyone who doesn't have room for a dedicated office in their home. Amazon reviewers note that they were pleasantly surprised with the desk's sturdiness and how much it can hold. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.